In this class of YouTube marketing course, we are going to talk about how to do a proper branding in your YouTube channel. Yes guys, if you are a business or if you are an individual content creator, you need to do a proper branding on your YouTube channel. And how you can do that? You can do your branding by adding your thumbnail, proper thumbnail, by adding the channel banner, by adding the channel logo, and even adding the watermark as well. Now in the next slide, I'm going to show you how you need to create these things. Basically, I'm going to show you the configuration which you need to follow in order to create the perfect watermark, perfect channel logo, and the banner, and what thumbnails as well, right? So let's directly go to the next slide, and here is the information about pictures. Basically, the logo of your channel which we have already added. Let me show you. So this is the channel logo, right? And then we have this video watermark. So video watermark appears when you play any video, and the watermark appears in this right hand side corner, right? As you can see in this particular video, if I make it to full screen mode, here you will be able to see the video watermark, right? And if the person hovers a cursor over here, they'll be able to see the subscribe button as well, right? Here you can add the subscribe logo or whatever the image you want to add here, you can add it, right? Now the third thing is channel art, channel banner, or you can say cover photo as well. So the channel art or the channel banner we haven't added in our channel yet. As you can see, the channel art or the banner is not added over here, but this is our main channel where we have added the channel art, and you can see this shows that what we do in this particular channel. Basically, it shows the idea or reflects the idea of our YouTube channel, and it says unified solution for all your online marketing needs, which is online marketing services, consultancy, digital marketing training, right? So this is how you need to create a channel banner that reflects your channel's idea. Now at the end we have thumbnail. So thumbnails, these are the thumbnails, right? If we click on videos section, here we'll be able to see all the thumbnails, different thumbnails for our video. These are the thumbnails which appears in front of your video, right? And people clicks on your video by watching these thumbnails, right? So these thumbnails are very important. These helps you to increase the CTR, click through rate, on your channel, right? So try to focus on thumbnails and try to create creative thumbnail that brings clicks, right? Now let's go to our channel which we have created in this course and add a picture, a video watermark, a banner, and a thumbnail. Obviously we can't add a thumbnail if we are not publishing a video, right? So let's add these three things. So guys, this is the front end of our YouTube channel. Now in order to go to the back end, you need to click here, and you need to already log in with the Gmail ID which you have using for your YouTube channel. Then directly go to YouTube Studio and you will be land into your channel's backend, right? So this is the backend of our channel. Now in order to add watermark or other things, you need to go to the customization option in the left hand side menu. Here we can see just below the earn option, we'll be able to see customization option. Click on this and go to branding option. And here in branding, we'll be able to see three options. The first one is picture, which is basically the logo of your channel, where you can add the logo. If you have a company, you can add company logo. If you have if you are an individual content creator, you can add your image, or if you have any specific image or the logo for your YouTube channel, you can add that as well. As we have already added over here, so we don't want to do anything. But if you want to remove it or change it, you can use these options respectively, right? Now in banner image, you can upload the image. We have already told you the size which you need to follow in order to create the perfect banner, which is 2048 by 1152, right? So we have one demo banner which we are going to use. So directly go to downloads, and this is the demo banner which we are going to use, and this is how it is going to look. And it is showing that the full area which is viewable on televisions, right? So this is the full area which will be viewable on televisions. Then this area is viewable on desktops, and this area is viewable on all devices like mobile phone, tablet, or any other device, right? So I hope you got the point. So you need to follow these things, you need to follow these criteria in order to create the perfect channel banner. Also you can use any tool like Canva or any other graphic designing tools which even a layman can use or create this channel banners. Like, now at the end we do have video watermark. So already told you the options, which is 150 by 150. Now we have already created one watermark as well. Let me show you, and you can see the formats as well. You can use PNG, GIF, and the GIF should be no animation, with no animations, then BMP and JPEG file as well, right? And the file size should be lesser than 1 MB. So let me click on upload, and once I click on upload, let me go to downloads, and this is the watermark which I'm going to use. Let me hit the open button, and this is how the watermark is going to look like. Let me click on done, and this is how my watermark is looking like. Right now, if you want to add this in the end of your video or custom start or entire video, so you can go with the entire video, or you want to use these options, so you can go with those options as well. It is totally up to you. Once you are done with all the customizations, hit the publish button, and your branding is done for your YouTube channel. I hope you got the point. I hope you learned from the process, and this video was quite helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe and share button, and wrap up this video here. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.